Hello everyone. So in our previous video, we have created the parameterized test object. Now in this video, I'm going to discuss how you can use that parameterized test object in your test script. So under the test case folder, let me add one more directory called parameterized. Inside this directory, I will add the test case called test parameterized object. Now as you can see here in our parameterized test object, there are two parameters which is needed. So in the test script, first of all, I'm going to create two variables which will supply the value to this parameter during the runtime. So the first one is index underscore one. The type is number and default value is one. The second one is, let's say, search result, and its value will be this. One more variable to store the text of web element. So to demonstrate the use of parameterized test object, the scenario which I'm going to automate is inside this item grid, I will loop from first web element to the fifth web element and start printing their name one by one. So first of all, I'm going to add exception handling statement, that is try with finally. Under the finally block, I will add web UI keyword, that is close browser. Under the try block, I will add open browser and specify this URL. Then maximize window, wait for page load. So this will be global variable and timeout. So as we need to iterate over multiple web element, so we need to use loop over here. So I will add looping statement, that is for loop, and the index will start from 1 to 5. Now inside this loop, first of all, I'm going to get the text of web element and store in a local variable which we have created. So get text, specify the test object, so which is search underscore grid. So as you can see here, the moment I click on the test object, it has provided a window where I need to provide the mapping variable for the parameter. So first of all, we need to specify the parameter type and parameter, the name of the parameter and its mapping variable, which is going to supply the value during the runtime. So I'll click on add. The parameter type remains string. The name is index. So as we know that the locator is represented in the form of a string, that's why the parameter type and the parameter name is of type string. Value type is a variable, which is a local variable, index underscore one. Similarly, the second variable type is string and its name is component, and the variable which is search result. Okay, and just click on OK. So now you have mapped the parameter which is required for the XPath to the local variable. So once I get the text of web element, I will print it. So for that, I will add a method call. So insert after method call statement. So the method name is println. and the value is in the variable which is a text. Okay, so we need to specify the output as a text here. After that, I need to increase the index value, so I will add one binary statement. Value type is variable which is index underscore 1. Shorthand notation for increment, and I will increase it by 1. Okay, so let me run the script. So as you can see here, our script got failed. Let me open the console to see the reason. Okay, I guess we missed the single quotes. So in our test object, I'll just add the single quote here. Save it and run the script. So if you observe console closely, as you can see here, one by one it has supplied the parameter value and it has printed the name of the web element. So this is for the first index, second index, third index, fourth index, and fifth index, so on. Okay. So in this manner, you can supply the value to the parameterized test object from your script.